Hi, this is Julia Harkins, and this is my graphic design final project. So I'm just going to be showing you guys what my projects were. And so the project number one was the poster project that we did. Um, I stuck with the same colors because we only had like three colors to use. So I just stuck with red, white, and black. And it says 1 in 5 girls are victims of child sexual abuse. I thought it was a great topic to bring up because I feel like not a lot of people talk about this, so I wanted to do that. And I used a Barbie to symbolize little girls um, because they play with Barbies, obviously. So, yeah, this is my first project. And then the magazine project that we did, I did mine on Chip Kid, and this is mine. I stuck with very like red, blue, and yellow colors, just because that's a lot of the art that he did. He stuck with a lot of the primary colors. Um, so this is it. He does a lot of comics and covers for novels. So he's very cartoony. So this is my magazine project. I really like doing this project just because it really came together with my artist. It was very aesthetically pleasing. And then my word exercise project, I did my initials. It's kind of hard to show it on the screen, but this is my initials, JH. And then I did plagiarization because this is the Disney font and this is the Disney logo. And then I did sloppy. And then I did void and glimpse into the void. I thought that was kind of cool, so I wanted to do that. And then this is the identity project that I did. Um, I did a pet clothing company. So these are the colors that I used: red, white, and black. And I have the tags, fabric tags, variations in the colors, an Instagram ad, spacing, a shopping bag, and my research questions. And then I did my information design. So I did how to make slime because I used to be obsessed with making slime a few years ago. Um, so I did a very cartoony style um, project. It's I would say this is definitely made for kids. It's easy to read and easy to look at, so I did that. And then my cover letter and resume. It's kind of hard to see, but this is what I did. My favorite flower is forget-me-nots, so I wanted to incorporate that into my design. So I stuck with black, the teal color, and white for my colors, as well as like the little colors in the flowers, as well as my cover letter that matches perfectly. It's very nice to look at. Um, but yeah, that is my project. I had a lot of fun learning new things in graphic design, so um, it definitely helped my career. It's funny because now I post a lot of like sticker designs because I've been just doing a lot on like Illustrator and InDesign and stuff like that. And I also work on a website for my organization on Oneonta's campus. Um, so it's given me a lot of experience to put forward into the real world, and it actually helped me try to figure out a possible career in the future. So thank you, and that's my project. Thank you.